Well, Thibaut, welcome back to Wales. Now, of course, Wales against Belgium. It's always been a dramatic fixture, a lot of history there. As a group, how are you feeling ahead of tomorrow?
No, we're feeling good. Obviously, we didn't the result we wanted the other day against Macedonia, so it brings a bit more pressure today for tomorrow. But yeah, we know it's a hard game. We always, when we played here, were tough games. Also in the Euros 2016 and so we know it will be a tough game. They have an amazing crowd here also, so it'll be a nice football fixture, and hopefully for us with Belgium on top.
Yeah, talk to me a bit more about that draw out in North Macedonia. How hard is it when it's such a dominant performance but you don't get the result you need? Is it hard to keep morale up after that?
No, obviously we're disappointed by not winning, but we knew that North Macedonia was hoping for that draw. They defended with their lives, and we couldn't find that one gap to score a goal. We had the chances, but also their goalkeeper played well, and then yeah, it's unlucky, unfortunate, and it brings more pressure for tomorrow. But that's football. There are no easy games, and we're ready for tomorrow.
Yeah, no easy games, and it's turned into such a competitive group. It's so tight. You almost can't take anything for granted, can you?
No, indeed. I think every game is a difficult fixture. Also the home game against Wales, we're winning 3-0. Wales came back to 2-3. We finally won in the end, so that was a big win. So yeah, tomorrow will be again a tough game, and we are ready. We prepared the game, and hopefully for us we can take a victory.
Yeah, what do you think will be key for Belgium tomorrow night against Wales?
Well, I think Wales will want to start strong in front of their fans, you know, create some high pressure, create some panic for us, maybe some doubts, and yeah, they obviously have the home advantage with the high line they like to play. So I think it's just for us to keep calm, to play our game, to take the experience we have also, and hopefully to score a goal first, and then obviously to keep on defending well and to keep exploiting them on the counter attack.
Thibaut, thank you.
Thank you.